Hello guys, welcome back to of Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset Oticon hearing aids. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly reset your Oticon hearing aids here. Well, in this case, resetting it is very easy. Now, if your Oticon hearing aids aren't working properly or you just want to start fresh, resetting them can actually help here. Now, what you need to do is you want to press and hold both the volumes and program buttons on the main body of the hearing aid. Now keep holding until you see the light flash red here. This means the system programming has been reset, and this will clear things like memory settings and volume adjustments. Now if you want to go further here and restore the hearing aid to its original factory settings, just simply repeat the process one more time. Now after this, your hearing aid should be back to their original default settings. So if they're still not working as expected, you may want to check the battery, clean them, or contact Oticon support for further troubleshooting. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.